Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, November 28th. Futures back in negative territory here this morning as we head towards a busy week of economic data. We'll get more key inflation-related economic releases coming up starting tomorrow morning, in fact, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday going to be full of important market-moving numbers ahead of the next Fed decision coming up on the 14th of the month. Worth noting, CPI the day before that. Let's have a look at futures here as we stand right now. Downside, as I mentioned, 0.73 for the S&P, about 0.5% for the Dow, 0.7 for the NASDAQ as well in negative territory. Look at crude oil, down 3% already. A number of energy producers in the red as well. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum back to the downside. More COVID-related concerns and headlines coming out of China over the weekend. 40,000 new cases reported over the weekend. New lockdowns put into place throughout Shanghai. That is Tesla shares downside. This is the market overall. If you remember, we ended on Friday, half day on Friday, right at the highs, essentially, recent highs anyway. So this nice uptrend still intact for the overall market. Here's Tesla shares. Yeah, definitely not an uptrend for Tesla. Downside once again this morning on fears of new lockdowns, what that's going to mean for production coming out of their Shanghai facility. So we'll have a look at Tesla coming up. PDD, on the other hand, the only one really as far as China ADRs standing out to the upside this morning. Great report for PDD. They raised their Q3 guidance as well, or Q4 guidance, I should say, after a revenue beat for Q3. So big move here, 16% at one point to the upside for Pinduoduo. Same story here for Apple. Downside this morning on this note, China production going to be 6 million units light when it comes to the iPhone 14 Pro model coming out of Foxconn. So that's from Bloomberg. Apple shares down about 2% as a result. To the upside, however, also China related, Macau handing out a few new licenses for casinos. So all of these, WYNN, MGM, LVS, and this MLCO, all higher to kick things off this morning. Big mover here as well, little one, TBLA, up on a deal with Yahoo for digital advertising. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code on screen. We're coming up here live with you on a Monday. Welcome back from the holiday shortened week. We'll see you soon on TraderTV.Live.